So in this video, I'm to show you how I turned $6 from DIN into 47. Okay, it was 47, but now it is currently 50 in less than 24 hours. So you can see the deposit. The deposit was done yesterday. You can see when it was done on the 16th of December at about some minutes to 4. And so yesterday I took a trade. I took 2 trades and then I made a $7.9 profit. And then now currently I'm holding some trade positions. All right, so in this video just want to show you how that is done. You know that in this channel what I show you all the time is that I tell you that everything is possible in the market. Everything is possible. All you have to do is to have the right skill, the right mindset, and then believe God. All right, I'm not believe that there's everything, and of course this is possible. People believe that God is not part of trading. Of course, that's their belief, but I believe that in whatever I do, God first. And so the right skill, the right mindset, and also God, it is possible. So what is it? This market has been buying for a very long time. You can see the buy all the way from here, all the way from this point. You can see the buy from this point. Look at it all the way up. Is that not so? And then I knew that, of course, it was time for the market to pull back. Of course, this is not that way I trade, because I do not like to trade the counter trend method of trading. But then when I saw that it was already time for that pullback to happen, and also when I look at the monthly time frame is telling us that we are supposed to currently be selling. All right, although last month gave a bullish candle, but this month is saying that we are supposed to sell it, but it's still telling us that we are still supposed to sell. We are still supposed to sell. So when I look at the weekly time frame, the weekly time frame is currently bullish. That is true, but then the pattern before the bullish move, all right, it's not the pattern that shows me that the bullish move has returned. All right, that the bullish move has returned. So that's the reason why I was still more interested in actually selling the market. And then also when I began to see, first of all, what did I see? This is what I saw first of all. All right, I saw this. Good. As soon as I saw this bearish engulfer to the downside on the 4-hour time frame, I knew it was time for me to shoot this guy down. Let me delete it. I knew it was time for me to shoot this guy down. So what did I do? I went to the 1 minute to 1 hour time frame, and then I went there. This is pure top-down analysis, and so I went there to go and position myself. When did I get the confirmation to actually enter the trade? This was when I got the confirmation to enter the trade here at this point. Although it looks as though the market broke structure to the upside, but when you look at it properly, you will see that there was no break of structure. Let's see this. Good. There was actually no break of structure. This was just a liquidity grab. When you look at it clearly, you will see that actually structure didn't break. That was just a liquidity that they grabbed. So as soon as I noticed that was a liquidity grab, it was beautiful for me to take the trade. All right, so I'm still holding this trade, and currently I'm on $55. All right, from $6. Yes, this was the fund. You can see the deposit. It was done yesterday, and then I'm currently on $55. That's how many percent, guys? How many percent? Tell me in this comment section. How many percent? Man, that's almost 1,000%. Oh. All right, so you can see it's possible, guys. It's possible. So capital is not the problem. Everything when it comes to trading is possible. It's possible, my brother. It's possible to do the things that you believe in your heart when it comes to trading, the things that you carry in your mind. All right, it's going to 57. Okay, it's going to 58. The market is going. All right, so you can see $6 from DIN, and then currently now the market, my equity is 59. Ooh la la, beautiful December. So 60, bro. Oh la la, hallelujah. $60, 59, 60. From a $6 funding. I tell you, I preach it here. I tell you that everything is possible when it comes to the Forex market. It is possible. If your mind can think it, it is possible. That's the reason why many times I show you these things using small capitals, many little times, little capitals, small capitals. So what I will do again, I pull all of these things out, I do the nice, I know it is possible, my brother. Possible. What you are thinking, what you're feeling, what's in your mind, what's in your head, very possible. So I know that there's always saying that these are not possible, these are not very possible. It's all about the thing of the mind. All right, so thank you so much. And then I was sort of risking, but though these my last 2 positions are not really good, but though I'm seeing something like a break of the neckline here. You can see break of the neckline. That's the reason why I'm still holding this trade. This break of the neckline here, you understand? You see I'm seeing a break of the neckline here. That's the reason why I'm still holding this trade. But then the two positions are not good two positions at all, and they are positions I should not hold or I should not do.